What's up, guys? It's your favorite teacher, Mr. G, coming at you with a video today for summer school. I have 3 different problems here on my board. I think 2 should be familiar. 1 should be, what is that, right? So let's go through our 3 problems. What kind of problem is this right here? It's addition. So that means I have to use subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 5. X equals 5. That's my dog complaining in the background. What is this problem over here? Second one. It's a multiplication problem. So what do I have to do? I have to use division. So I am going to divide by 5. These will cancel. My x comes down. X equals 2. Now, my third problem. What kind of problem is it? I haven't seen this kind of problem before. Well, if I have to divide over here, and this is what dividing looks like, don't these 2 things look similar? I think so. I think these 2 things look similar. So something tells me it's a division problem. So I have to multiply. How am I going to multiply to cross cancel? Well, I am going to multiply by 5, and I'm going to put my 5 up here. Why? Because I can cross cancel that way. Cool? And then I'm going to multiply my 5 here. X equals 50. Okay, how do I know that I'm right? Well, I'm going to put 50 over 5, and I'm going to see what I get. Well, my calculator, I'm going to do 50 divided by 5, and I get 10, which is my answer. Let's do another one. Let's do x over 7 equals, why don't we do 14? Okay? Now this is going to be a calculator problem, but let's see what we have to do. I'm going to multiply my top by 7. I'm going to multiply my 14 by 7. These parentheses just mean multiply. These numbers cross cancel. X equals, oh God, here's my, my dog wanted to be in the video. There she is. Lala, can you tell me what 14 times 7 is? Huh? Look at the camera. Can you tell me what 14 times 7 is? You can't? Well, I can't either. So I'm going to do 14 times 7 equals 98. X equals 98. Boom. Answer. Oh, why is it taking forever? There you go. All right, come. Stop working. Okay. So let's do another. Let's do x over 10 equals 5. All right. How am I going to do it? Well, I'm going to multiply my top number by 10, right? And they'll cancel. I'm going to multiply my 5 by 10. X equals 50. Right? Okay. So let's do 3 of the same problems. Let's do x minus 5 equals 10, or 4, I should say. X plus 5 equals 10. 5x equals 10. And x over 5 equals 10. Okay. Well, what are we supposed to do in each one of these problems? This one, I'm supposed to add my x because it's a subtraction problem, right? This is an addition problem, so I'm supposed to subtract to get x. This one's a multiplication problem, so I'm supposed to divide to get x. And this one is a division problem, so I should multiply to get x, right? So I will screenshot this and post this on my Google Classroom page for you. But let's do these problems, and then I'll give you guys a worksheet, and you guys do that worksheet, and you'll be done for today. All right. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. I'm just going to put this down here. All 4. X equals 15. Boom. Let's check the work. 15 minus 5 equals 10. Yep. All right. Let's subtract by 5. Subtract my 5. X equals 5. Let's see. Let's see if we're right. 5 plus 5 equals 10. We're right. All right. Let's divide by 5 here because that's what it tells me to do. X equals 2. 5 times 2 equals what? 10. And then we're going to multiply here by 5. These cancel. X equals 50. 50 over 5 equals 10. Beautiful. That's it. That's all we're doing. We're going to have a live class tomorrow at 10:30. Luciano, I will see you at 8:30 tomorrow morning for a live class. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.